Hey, what is up guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be working up with the about page. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit about right now. Okay, and in here I want to just add that the div layout. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit edit page right now, and then here I'll be taking there. Okay, and then I have to upload that. So I'm just gonna go to this right now, and then here it says to use the div builder, and then I have to hit load from library. I have to, so we have predefined layouts as well. So if you want to use this as well, you can also use this. You don't have to just add anything, you don't have to add any of the JSON file, and you just have to upload it like the about us. Okay, and this is right here, and then when you click use the visual builder, you'll see how it is gonna look. So it will just upload the predefined layout that div comes with. So you can see this is how your website will look. This is a predefined layout. You don't have to add anything, you don't have to add any of the JSON files. So you can see this is how it is looking. This is our story is, this is how the team member one is, and everything. Okay, so this is the predefined layout basically. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna come here, and I am gonna load from library, add from library. So here I want that the thing that we added. So I just want that theme, I just want to focus on that theme. So make sure that you replace the existing content, which is this right here, and I want the about page. This is the about page, I think. Yes, vintage store about. So you can see this is right here, and this has been added. So you can see how this is looking. Old is the new. Old is the new. So you can see this effect. I just love this, guys. Seriously, I just love it. Okay, I am just going to show you how this is made so that you don't get confused. Okay, if I just come here and I just click here, you can see this is the row setting. So this is the row setting right here, and if we go to design, the background, then you can see nothing is here. If I just come here, you can see nothing is here. Okay, but if you go to the column 2 background, this is like this. Okay, so column 2, this is the column 2. Okay, and column 1 background is like this. So you can see how this is looking. This is looking like we just have the column 2 background, and we don't have anything pretty well. And this is the column 2 background image repeat is set to repeat X. We can also choose it repeat, and you can see column 2 background image blend can be multiplied. It can be like darken or something like that. So if I just come here and I just click here, then you can see we have a module. And if we go to background, and then you can see let's just come here and let's click this guy right here so that we switch on the grid module. Okay, you can see how this is looking. Okay, if I just come here and let me just click here, this guy. I want to go to background, this one. Okay, so this has got this one. I want to just go with this one. Okay, let's come here, let's go down, and we have column 1. We have this right here. Okay, I don't know why this is not working here. Let's just come here and let's just work with this. So if I just come here, you can see this is the whole background image. Okay, you can see this is the whole background image like this. This is the whole background image. And then I go down, then I have the column 1 background, which is the column 1. So you can see column 1 is this whole this. Okay, this is set to color. Okay, this is set to color. If I just decrease it, if I just make it transparent, you can see how this color is looking. Okay, but I'm gonna make it full. Okay, and then we go down, and then we have the image right here. Okay, so this is the image. If I just go to media library and then I go down, this is the image basically. You can see this image is set to transparent. If I just try to open this image up, okay, let me just open this image first. I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna copy the URL, and I'm gonna paste it right here. Okay, and then I come here and I just open it up. You can see how this is looking. Okay, if I want to make the background image like black, I can also make it. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna save this image first. Okay, I'm gonna open this up right here, and then I'm gonna open this up in Photoshop. So I'm just gonna open this up in Photoshop. Let's just click here and it will automatically be opened up in a Photoshop because I've set my PNG images to open up in a Photoshop. So this will be opened up in a Photoshop, and then I have to select this color and I have to make it black. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how what I'm saying. But first, I have to come here. I have to just click here and I have to select this one, column 1 background. Okay, so column 1 background color should be set to a color that I want to focus on. So I just want to focus on not this, but a bit of gray. So let's suppose that I want this image. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna copy this color code first. This is important, guys. Just make sure to copy the color code, then come here, then you have to click here, and then you have to paste the color code here. Paste the color code here. Just select this one. Just remove this, and let's hit OK. Okay, and now you have to come to this guy right here that says this one. This says Magic Van Tool. You have to come here and you have to select it, and you can see everything is selected from here. This is the color. Okay, you have to just press Control and then backspace, and you can see this image is set to this. Okay, now when I'm going to save it now, okay, as the PNG, I'm just gonna save it as the Vintage Copy 10 PNG on desktop, and I'm gonna hit save. This image is going to be saved right now. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna go down to this one right here, and I want to upload the black one that we have got this. So I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna select the file, and I am going to just select it from here. So it should be here. Yes, this is the one. I'm just gonna click here, and you can see this image is right here. So you can just design this image with the Adobe Illustrator. Okay, you can see how this image is looking, guys. Okay, so this is exactly looking like that we designed. Okay, this is how it is looking. So this is how you can create this image. Okay, now if you want to create an image like this, you can go with Adobe Illustrator. Okay, you should be having a know-how of Adobe Illustrator if you want to go with this effect, because web designing is basically comes under the graphic designing as well, because that is also important. So now here, once the Adobe Illustrator is on, you can see here you can basically design this type of effect. You just have to go ahead, you have to select the square or rectangle, and then you have to make it down here. You have to give some effect like this, and then you can design it. So let me just come here and let me just close this Photoshop right here. And let me come here. So I just come here, I just open up a new file right here, and then I want to design this image, so I can just design it. Okay, it is going slow because the background is also running there, and also something. So I'm just gonna go to print right now, and this should be let's just go with the print. Okay, and this should be right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna this is right here. I'm gonna make it bigger, and what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab this square. Okay, so this is right here. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna add this anchor point. So I'm going to add the anchor point here. Let's just click here. Add anchor point. So I'm just gonna grab this anchor point, this anchor point, this anchor point, this anchor point, and this. Okay, now I'm gonna come here. I'm just gonna grab this right here, and I'm gonna drag it. So you can see this is how you can create these type of effect. And this is all created with After Effects. So, sorry, this Adobe Illustrator. So you can see how this is looking. If I just come here and I just add the anchor point here, then I'm going to grab this right here. So you can see how this is looking. Okay, I can now just bring it anywhere. I can now just drag it right here, and this is how this is looking. So I can just save it as a PNG. I can just open this up in the Photoshop, and then I can work with it. I can just save it as a PNG, and then I can add a background image, and then I can upload it there. So this is how you basically create these type of effect. But for this, you have to focus on the Adobe Illustrator. I would recommend you not to go into here. Just first learn the web development and then go into graphic designing. Do not go into graphic designing right now because this is not necessary right now. So this is how our About Us is looking. I'm just going to come here. I'm going to change the look of this. I'm just going to change the color of this to white. Okay. I'm going to change the color of this to white. Okay, you can see how this is looking. Everything looks great here. All this the new and this testimonials right here. So you can see this is the image we have. This is not the actual 5-star review. And our team section is right here, and get the news about sales and new products. So you can see there are so many things that you can do to create a website. Okay, and you can design any type of website. I didn't show you this effect just because you guys don't know about graphic designing, and I do not want to confuse you, but I just wanted to show you how this is created so that you guys do not be like, oh my god, we cannot create this. You guys can do that. Seriously guys, you can do that. You just learn the web development first. Okay, and then when you'll be good enough, then you can go to the Adobe Illustrator effect. So this is the best tool I've ever seen. Okay, you can see that we're totally done with this. We have designed the About page, and now I'm gonna go to the Contact Us page. So let's just click here, and let's go to the Contact Us. So I'm just gonna go to enable the Visual Builder, and then I'm gonna upload that file. I'm just gonna use that builder, the JSON file. So let's wait till this is uploaded. Oh, sorry. This is loaded, not the uploaded. So this is right here. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to click this guy right here. I'm going to go to this and add from library. So this is loading all the effects, all the pre-made layouts that we have in the library. And I need contact. Here we go. This is how the Contact Us page is. The headquarters, warehouse, email us, and everything. So if you want to change the look of this, if you want to get the different type of the website for this, like if you want to change the background for this, you can do go with that. You can do change it. I have showed you guys, so now you can do work with the color scheme, but I would highly recommend you not to go with 2 colors. Just go with the shades of one single color. You can go with like 3 shades, 4 shades, you can go with that, but do not use many colors into your website, otherwise your site will not look good. So you can see that we have all the pages set up. You can see everything is totally okay. Everything is cool. And now in the next video, we'll be working with the shop page. So this is so important, guys. I'm going to show you how this is going to work. If I just exit the Visual Builder and then I open up my shop page, you're going to see how bad it looks. I'm sorry, guys, but you can see I want to change this. How will I change this? I'll show you in the next video. So stay tuned, guys, and that is going to be so much fun. Goodbye.